Tired of swinging a hammer in tight spaces? Meet the Milwaukee M12 palm nailer. Cordless, compact, powerful. With 12-volt lithium-ion power, it drives nails precisely where others can't reach one-handed. No air compressor needed. Perfect for framing, joist, hangers, and tough angles. Save time. Save your wrist. Add this beast to your toolbox, link in the description. This isn't your average stapler. The DEWALT carbon fiber stapler is 50% lighter than traditional models, yet it's tough as nails. Designed for comfort and control, even in long jobs. Perfect for upholstery, insulation, and craft projects. Less fatigue, more precision. It's one of those tools you never knew you needed until you use it. Breaking concrete just got easier. The XtremepowerUS 2,200-watt jackhammer is a demolition monster. With chisel and shovel bits, it powers through concrete, tile, and brick like butter. Heavy-duty, yet easy to control, whether you're tearing up floors or digging trenches. Construction work? This is your best friend. Want your car to shine like a showroom model? The BATOCA cordless buffer makes detailing easy. With 6 speeds and 2 rechargeable batteries, it handles polishing, waxing, and scratch removal without cords getting in the way. Quiet, lightweight, and super smooth. For car lovers, this is a must-have. Tame those overgrown branches with the DEWALT 20-volt max chainsaw. Compact, cordless, and powerful. This 8-inch saw is perfect for pruning, trimming, and light cutting. No gas, no noise. Just clean, smooth cuts with every squeeze. Gardeners and DIYers, this is your secret weapon. The PREXISO laser-level projects crisp horizontal and vertical beams up to 30 feet. Ideal for hanging frames, shelves, writing on walls, or any precision work. Includes batteries, wall mount, pins. Ready to go right out of the box. Work smarter, not harder. Need perfect crimps without changing dies? The DEWALT DCE 350M2 die-less crimping tool is a game changer. It automatically adjusts to the cable size. No manual dies, no hassle. Up to 10 tons of force, ergonomic grip, and powered by a 20-volt max battery for all-day use. Electricians and pros, this is speed, precision, and reliability in one tool. Clear your yard in minutes with the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR leaf blower. Cordless, lightweight, powerful. It blasts air at 125 miles per hour and 450 cubic feet per minute, making leaves and debris disappear fast. Ideal for driveways, patios, and garden. And super quiet, too. Note, this is the tool only. Add your 20-volt max battery and you're good to go.